Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username of Instagram. So first of all, what you have to do is open the Instagram app and log into your account. And go to your profile by tapping the profile icon which is on the bottom right side of the screen. And when you reach your profile, tap on the edit profile option. Now you can see there are 4 options which are name, username, website and bio. And to change your username, tap on the current username that you have and it will take you to this page. Now erase the username. Now enter the username that you want for your profile. Now after you enter your desired username, tap on the done option which is on the top right side of the screen. So this username isn't available, so I have to add some digits or change the usernames. So I'll just add 2 numbers at the end and tap on done and try it again. So it was available and my username has been changed. So let's tap on done again and let's refresh the page. So as you can see, our username has been changed. So this is how you change your username on Instagram. This is all for this video. If this video was helpful to you guys, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other helpful updates.